Okay, so in this game I've got some land, some water, which is lava, and I've got a castle. So my cycle in this, if I look at the programming, all we can do so far is you can move when I use the arrow keys, you can change the camera angle, and if I bump the castle, I'm going to win. So I want to make it a little bit more exciting. So I'm going to change the settings by right clicking and going to change settings. Now there's loads of things you can do here, make them invisible, all sorts. But I want to show hit points. Now I'll show you what that does straight away. And you can see he has this bar over his head. So if I now go back into that menu, I can decide the maximum number of points he'll get before he effectively dies and the game ends. So at the moment we've got 50. So that's fine. Now what I want to do is I want to be able to him to lose points. So I'm going to say that when I'm on water, if you've got different types of water you could specify what you want to happen in the different types, but I've only got one, so I'm going to leave it the way it is. So when I'm on water, I'm going to go into this combat one. I want it to damage, I want it to damage me 10 points, and I want it to do it to me. Okay, now I'll show you the difference between having it like that and having it with this once tile. So if I get rid of the once tile, let's see what happens when I go into the water. So here I am, I'm going into the water, and you can see that I've lost all of my health and my points, and I've disappeared. Now if I just change that programming, so that it only happens once, if I move around, I go in, I've lost it, but then I can get out. It's only going to happen once each time. Because it can take 50 hit points, and I'm losing 10 each time, I can go in and out of the water 5 times. As you can see, my health's very low, and that's the end, because I've been hit 5 times. So there you are, that's how you can have a character that gets damaged and its health gets affected, and you can see it by looking at the little bar on its head. So there we are, it's something else you can include in your games.